Before we get ready to go on a trip on the boat, we always try to load up with snacks from Stop and Shop and Aldi's. After loading up the boat, we cast off the lines and head down the Pawcatuck River, make our turn, and head towards Sandy Point. With light winds and full sails, we head towards Fisher's Island. On our way to the west end of Fisher's Island, we pass many of the beautiful homes that dot the shores of Fisher's Island. Fisher's Island is located just off the southeast end of Connecticut near the Rhode Island border, but Fisher's Island is part of Suffolk County, New York. Fisher's Island Yacht Club is in the West Harbor, west end of the island. It is a very well protected harbor, and it is a very small but very nice club. The only downside I can see is that it has stationary docks, no floating docks here. The tide is only about 2.5 to 3 feet, so it's not real critical. We settle into the slow pace of island life. We lucked out that day and nature was smiling on us. After a very pretty sunset, nature was kind to us and allowed us to do some stargazing, as there is not much light pollution there. The sunrise was even more spectacular than the sunset, and we got to enjoy the light of magic hour before casting off lines and heading to our next port of call, Mystic. It was a beautiful day, so we decided to take a sail over to New London to see New London Ledge Light. The high-speed Block Island ferry came by us. It was a beautiful, clear day, and we could see Orient Point, Plum Island, Gardiner's Island, and a little bit of Montauk before looking back at Fisher's Island. There's a long channel into Mystic, dotted with beautiful New England homes and lots of sailboats. Mystic is a lot more crowded and a lot more things are going on. We settled into Safe Harbour Mystic Marina and enjoyed their amenities. The next morning we fired up the engine and started the half-hour trip down the channel to open water, and then started our short, lazy trip back up to the Pawcatuck River and our home port of Westerly. If you enjoy our videos, please follow us on YouTube, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Thank you.